Hello friends! We bring to your attention a new batch of interesting questions in our travel quiz. If you love to travel, are interested in the customs of other countries, you can easily answer all questions. First question. Which of the following is the official name of China? Correct answer. Keep playing. Second question. Printed books, porcelain, silk, invented by the Chinese. And what invention does not belong to them? Correct answer. Put your answers in the comments. Third question. How many stars are on the flag of China? Correct answer. Good question. Fourth question. Are Gu Kaixi, Zheng Sengyao, Lu Tanwei, and Wu Daozi the founding fathers of China? Correct answer. Put like. Fifth question. What color is the traditional dress of a bride in China? Correct answer. Put like. Sixth question. Which of these holidays is celebrated in China? Correct answer. It was easy. Seventh question. Jackie Chan conquered the world with his roles. Is he known by his stage name in China? Correct answer. We continue the quiz. Eighth question. What percentage of China's forest vegetation is bamboo? Correct answer. Ninth question. In Chinese, the word for the design of this architectural structure has acquired the figurative meaning of unbending powerful force. What is this about? Correct answer. Super, continue. 10th question. Chinese Hawaii is? Correct answer. And you all know. 11th question. What is the religion of the majority of believing Chinese? Correct answer. Great, congratulations. 12th question. What is China's place in terms of territory among all countries of the world? Correct answer. I know everything. 13th question. Which river in China is called the Yellow River? Correct answer. It was too easy. 14th question. The most famous traditional art in China? Correct answer. Put like. 15th question. Name a country that does not have a land border with China. Correct answer. Our quiz is over. At the end of the next video, we will name the top 3 winners of this quiz from those who answered correctly and scored the maximum score in this quiz. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and travel with us further.